Hey everybody, Matt here, Life's Journey, my moto adventures. So yes, it's always a moto adventure with me. So this video, obviously you see by the thumbnail, is yes, I sold my 1300 GSA. Let's get into this and let's have a conversation about why I did what I did. So, all right, here we go. One, thanks for watching. Again, if you guys can hit that like, subscribe, notification button, be fantastic. Greatly appreciate it. Just continue to keep growing the channel. taking a little bit of a break. You guys probably saw that from a prior video. Just needed some time to kind of just decompress a little bit. But, you know, that's how things happen. So, 1300 GSA. All right. If you've been around for a while, when the first 1300 came out back in 24, I did a demo ride on that, and I really wasn't a big fan back then of it. And fast forward to this past holidays, you know, November, December timeframe, I had an opportunity to get a 25 GSA, and I thought it would be the right thing. Cap, my 1250 GSA was closing in on 67,000 miles. That Warhorse bike, which I will tell you right now, I regret getting rid of Cap. But I thought, you know, let's do the 1300. And with the offer and the deal I got on it was great. And I thought maybe, just because it would be some different content and stuff out there, you know, that's different from, you know, just doing the 1250 and riding around on that. But let's get this out of the way. One, the 1300 is a very nice bike. Tech-wise, the newer suspension, all that stuff. So this is literally my perspective on all this. Again, 1300 is a nice bike. The one thing that I've constantly said in any of my videos that I've had with this is the engine noise. So I was riding out to an event to Virginia, and I have to tell you, folks, it literally drove me nuts listening to the engine noise versus my 1250s. Now, again, if you've never came from a 1250 and you bought a 1300, you probably have no idea. I would tell you that majority of owners that had 1250s and moved into the 1300, if they don't say that there's a difference in the noise engine, I'm going to challenge you. I'm just being honest with you, because everybody that I've talked to that has a 1300 that came from a 1250 definitely notices the louder engine noise. And I just thought that was kind of annoying for me. It was pretty annoying. And then I think the biggest thing that came down to it, I just don't find that the 1300 has that character, that soul that the 1250 had. Now, is this subjective? Absolutely. I get it. But I just don't feel like, it doesn't feel like a GS to me. It feels more roadish. It feels more sterile, if that's a thing to say. Like, and again, German engineering, this whole thing, I mean, they have really spec'd it out. Again, rode fantastic. Like, it throttle response, all that stuff is great about the bike. I just didn't feel it had soul, it had character to the bike. It was loud, and I just didn't like the bike. And then compound it, it had 2,400 miles on it. I sold it. And in the process, now, by the time you see this video, I don't know, but there was a catastrophic clutch failure. Haven't even ridden it off-road. So I know if you've been around this channel, I've put a couple of clutches in different bikes, and that's all been because of me and riding heavy off-road. This bike hasn't even been off-road. And so BMW is replacing it. There's a part that's part of the clutch or whatever. There's none in the US. they might have to source it from Germany, or they're going to replace the whole engine. And BMW is paying for that. So chances are, though, what the dealership is saying is that BMW is leaning towards replacing the whole engine on the 1300. So now the new buyer knows about this, and by the time that, you guys see this video, things are already being done and everything's okay. Actually, the new owners, like, heck, that's basically a brand new engine and starts his warranty all over again. So, but, you know, take that little tidbit away, which obviously that's a issue. I just didn't find it had character or had soul to it. Now, my 1250 GSA, now again, maybe there's a little bit of buyer's remorse because, you know, that bike was my very first bike. I should have never got rid of it. Like I've said, 66,000 miles on it. Has done everything. It was completely customized to me. But again, I just go back to the engine noise. It's really super loud. And with even with all the great tech and everything on the upgrade, and again, it is a nice bike. The 1300 is a nice bike. I just don't feel that it had the character and soul that my 1250s did. And that's a personal opinion. And so that's the reason why I got rid of the 1300. For those that are asking questions like, why is he getting rid of these bikes, blah, blah, blah. And as I told you, probably you saw the F900, and the reason why I sold that, I just didn't ride it. Because I also realized that I can take my 1250 anywhere I can take my F900. And if I want to do some single track or whatever, I got the Beta 430. I will probably figure out what I'm going to do later on. I'm going to kind of take a step back, see what the marketplace produces on a different bike. I just am in this kind of quasi weird mode, but I don't think I will ever own another 1300. And I just don't think I'll ever own another 1300, which means that I might have to look at something else in the big bike arena, or do I, you know, potentially look at another midweight bike, but I doubt I'll do that. So at this present stage, I'll have two bikes, which is, you know, very fortunate to have the two bikes, and one can do stuff and the other can do stuff and go out and ride. But yeah, so I wanted everybody to know kind of what was going on outside of them having a catastrophic failure in the bike and BMW having to replace most likely the engine. I'll probably give an update later on about what actually happened with the bike. But yeah, it just didn't have any character or soul to it. It was just kind of a meh.
Yeah.
It was, again, nice bike, everything about it. I'm not going to, like I said, everything about it. And I just continue to say the engine noise is a lot louder than the 1250s. And it just didn't have that character or soul. It just felt kind of bland.
It's a little bland
On the road. And, you know, if you're going to ride the bike and own the bike and do the things that you want to with the bike, you want to feel like you have a little bit of a connection. I guess that's kind of how I felt a little bit about the Touareg 660 I had, my second one. And so that's kind of it, folks. So anyways, I just wanted to get out a quick video around the reason why I sold 1300. You don't see any final footage of it because actually it's at that dealership getting fixed. And, you know, obviously I'll show some pictures and stuff of it while I did have it. But yeah, moving, you know, my 23 GS is going to be my go-to bike. Plus, it only has 7,000 miles on it. And then I've got my Beta 430. So that's kind of what's going to happen. So again, if you've never owned a 1250 GS and you got a 1300, I'm sure that you're in love with it. It's a great bike. It'll be fantastic for you. If you're coming from a 1250 and you've had a 1300, and I've seen the comments out there, oh yeah, 1300 is way better, blah, blah, blah. It is, from a tech perspective, it is. And from a lot of aspects, it is. But I don't feel it has the character and soul of the 1250. And again, that engine noise, for me personally, just like was annoying. And that's pretty much it. So anyways, hope you are enjoying your 1300. Hopefully you didn't have a major fault to it like I did. If you're still on a 1250, I don't know. I would tell you to probably think about trying to keep it. Those things can run, you can put a couple 100,000 miles on those Boxer engines. So anyhow, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. We'll see what comes down the pike later on. But yeah, that I've sold my 1300 GSA already. Didn't even have it. I think it's only got 2,400 miles on it, so really didn't even ride it that much, and it's out the door. So, all right, folks, thanks for everything. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.